So my 94 Chevy pickup I'm working on. Trying to get it up to snuff. I just put that new Edelbrock carburetor on there. It was TBI fuel injection, but I switched it over to carburetor because I like it better. I'm gonna crank it up for y'all guys so y'all can hear it.
So what model of truck is this?
It's 94.
94 Chevy. What all upgrades have you done to it?
I just intake the carburetor. It's got a new core out there. Flow master muffler. Pretty much all I've done to it so far.
So that is technically your first video, other than the intro thing that we made. So hope you guys did enjoy. Like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see y'all later.